In this class, we will discuss about question number 2, fifth one, exercise 3.3, pair of linear equations in two variables. What about this question? Form the pair of linear equations. Clear? In the following problem and find their solution by using elimination method. We completed 4 questions. And now last question of this exercise I am taking. Observe carefully. So simple question. Once we understand the concept, then we can easily to form the pair of linear equations, and then we will find the solution by using what? Elimination method. So what about its solution? Observe carefully. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Observe this one. For the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. One library taking charge fixed charge for the 3 days. One library taking fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. After 3 days, library taking what? Additional charge. For the first 3 days, library having what? Fixed charge. For first 3 days, library having fixed charge. Thereafter, after 3 days, each day, library taking additional charge. Clear? It is the meaning. Sarita paid rupees 27. First condition. Sarita paid. First condition start from Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept 7 days. Sarita taking book from the library for the 7 days. Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept 5 days. These are two situations. By using these situations, we will develop what? We will form pair of linear equation. Now find the fixed charge. We want fixed charge and the charge for each day. Whatever we want to find, we will assume. How we will assume? Find the fixed charge. So let the fixed charge for first 3 days equal to what? Let the fixed charge for the first 3 days. For the first 3 days, library having what? Fixed charge. First 3 days, we are assuming whatever book we will take from the library will charge what? First 3 days charge. So we assumed this charge is what? Rupees X. And the additional additional charge for each day per day, and the additional charge for each day and the additional charge for per day equal to what? Fixed charge for the 3 days we assumed as X, and the charge for each extra day, charge for per day, extra day, we can also write like this. Same thing we can write, charge for each extra day. The additional charge, this is the additional charge. The additional charge per day, equal to, we are assuming Y rupees, equal to rupees Y. So whatever thing we want to find, we are assuming. Find the fixed charge. Fixed charge for the 3 days, library giving books for 3 days and having fixed charge. So let the fixed charge for the first 3 days is what? Rupees X. Additional charge per day. And the charge for each extra day. After 3 days, each day, additional charge is what? We assumed as rupees Y. Clear? According to question, two conditions we are having. One is Sarita and one more is what? Susi. They are taking books from the library. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. For the Sarita, first condition, observe, Sarita paid rupees 27 for the 7 days. It means 3 days X rupees and remaining days 4 days remaining. From the 7, 3 days will be the fixed charge and remaining days 4 days charge she will be pay extra. Clear? So how we can say Sarita paid for 7 days. Sarita paid for 7 days equal to 27 rupees she is paying. Clear? So Sarita paid rupees 27 for the 7 days. So this can be written as, now we want linear equation. Sarita paid for the 7 days 20 rupees. It means Sarita having books for 7 days. It means 3 days fixed charge. So we can say X plus remaining 7 minus 3, 4 days remaining. 4 days extra charge will be what? Per day is what? Y. So 4 days 4 into Y and total will be what? 27 rupees. 27 rupees she is paying. Rupees 27. Now another condition. Another condition for Susi. Susi paid for 5 days equal to rupees 21. For 5 days Susi paid rupees 21. So how we will write the equation? 5 days means 3 days fixed charge. So X plus remaining days 5 minus 3 will be 2. X plus 2Y equal to 21. This is equation number 1 and this is what? Equation number 2. In this way we obtain what? We obtain pair of linear equations. Equation 1 and equation 2 are what? Pair of linear equations. Clear? Half question we completed. Now we want the solution by using elimination method. So how we will find the solution by using elimination method? So I am writing elimination method. In the elimination method we want to eliminate one variable. What? We want to eliminate one method. Elimination method we will follow. Observe carefully. So equation, in the elimination method we want to remove one variable, eliminate one variable. So we can eliminate X simply once we subtract equation 2 from 1. So we can say equation 1 minus equation 2, then we are getting the variable Y. X can be eliminated. So I am writing equation 1 is what? X plus 4Y equal to 27, and the next equation X plus 2Y equal to 21. We want to subtract it. So minus sign of this equation will be changed. Minus minus minus, this will be cancelled. X variable will be cancelled. 4Y minus 2Y, remaining 2Y. Now 27 minus 21, what is the remaining? 6 is remaining. So Y will be what? 6 by 2, 1 time, 3 time. So we are getting Y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 rupees. What we are getting? Y equal to rupees 3. Y equal to rupees 3. Y is what? The additional charge per day. Rupees Y. So rupees 3. Rupees 3 we are getting. So Y value will be what? Rupees 3. So Now we require x value. So how we will find x? Observe carefully. Observe carefully. This is the value of y. The additional charge per day is rupees y. So after 3 days, library taking 3 rupees per day charge. 3 rupees per day charge. Clear? Now put this value in any one equation. Put y equal to 3 in equation 1. In equation 1 we are putting. Equation 1 is this one. At the place of y we will put 3. So x plus 4 times of y is what? 3 equal to 27. Solve this one. X plus 4 3s are 12 equal to 27. Solve. X equal to 27 minus 12. What we are getting? X equal to 7 minus 2 5 and 2 minus 1 15 rupees. What we are getting? Rupees 15. Fixed charge. Library having fixed charge for the 3 days is what? 15 rupees. The fixed charge for the first 3 days is what? 15 rupees. Fixed charge is this one for the first 3 days. After 3 days, per day charge is what? 3 rupees. 3 rupees. So we obtained the fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge per day is what? Rupees 3, and fixed charge is what? 15 rupees 15. So what about this question? Observe again. So simple question. One library having the fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. After 3 days, library taking what? Extra charge per day. Sarita paid 27 rupees for the 7 days. So we assumed fixed charge as first 3 days is what? Rupees x, and additional charge per day is what? Rupees y. As per question, Sarita paid for 7 days rupees 27. So we are getting 7 days. It means 3 days is what? Fixed charge. So x plus 4 times of y. 7 minus 3 will be what? 4. So 4 times of y equal to what? 27. Susi paid for 5 days. 5 days means 3 days it will be the fixed. After 5 minus 3 will be what? 2. So x plus 2y equal to 21. By using these linear equation, we are solving by using elimination method, and we are getting y equal to rupees 3 and x equal to what? Rupees 15. And finally we can say fixed charge for the first 3 days is what? 15 rupees, and additional charge after 3 days per day will be what? Additional charge per day after 3 days will be what? Rupees 3. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.